So 125 and 125 is 250, which is a quarter of an inch, and these are less than a quarter of an inch, so I'm going to use them. And I'm just going to continue here and disassemble this cell as it sits here and reassemble it like this. And I'll spare you all that. Okay, so here we are. The last couple of these to install. And you should have the cell. There it is. How about that? That looks pretty wicked. Now let's see how the ohms are. Make sure this doesn't have any. Nowhere, anywhere. Okay, that's good. Now what we'll go ahead and do is we'll go ahead and cut these little feelers off. And this is, oof, there's the cell. Boy, that thing is hefty. Alright, I like that. All I'm using right now are these. These are kind of ridiculous. And in fact, now that I've done this, they are too short. So that means a trip out to the garage. Let's see here. This one fits in kind of like that. And this one will not fit in. So it's out to the garage to get another bolt here. Be right back. Okay, so here we are. This isn't quite how I fancied this being, but right there you can kind of see. Here's my negative plate side. Here's the positive plate side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 negative, because the hydrogen comes off of the negative side, so I put more negative plates. So that's the beastie right there. And what we're going to do now is put it in the solution here and see what kind of gas outtake we get. So here's the cell submerged here. Let's see if we can't I don't know, see what it'll do. We want to put our measure the amperage here. So we'll put this over in amperage setting, and we'll set this I'll stick it on 20 amps. And put the other one on here, and we'll hook this right up to the positive side of the plates, and I'll be surprised if this doesn't put out more than my lesser plate count cell. Alright, let's turn the juice on, see what happens here. .01 amps. Is that right? Wait a minute, that's AC amps. Okay. There's there you go. It's producing now. There's 14.63 amps, and it is definitely producing gas. Look at that. That's producing gas right there. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's sizzling. It is a bubbling crude. There you go. That's a whole bunch of, let me see if I can, I don't know. Let me see if I can release this. Look at that. So there's there's some hydrogen being produced there. It doesn't quite go to fill up the entire. That's a pretty good that's a lot of water there. There's a 6-inch ruler. That's more than half of the jug of water right there. Trying to get a good look at that. It's producing right across the plates. That's pretty good. I wouldn't strike a match right now, but there you go. That's pulling about 14.5 amps on the Astron. So right there is 12.8 volts at 14.3 amps. That thing's that's producing right there. Let me get this back in here. Okay. So that's cool. We'll turn the power supply off. Amps drop to 0, and hydrogen production has stopped. Whew. Well, the water's still cool. That's a good sign. Some of the bubbles off the side here. Well, that's a neat little cell right there, I must say. That is a very neat little cell. That's without the hydroxide. I'm going to try this and see what happens. Let me go get something to measure this thing with. Okay, here's a teaspoon. I wouldn't advise doing this in a closed room. Make sure you have ventilation. There's the sodium hydroxide right there. You see that it's a powder form. This is a 2-pound container, and so that's drawing 14.5 amps. So what I'll do with this is I'll pull this up out of here.